Um, Let me close the door. Fix that. Finish that. Okay, syncing audio. Hello, this is Fabian Bautista, and this is the GIMM 330 quote unquote final. I say quote unquote because I don't know if you can really consider it a final. It is a final assignment, but essentially, like, I don't know, the stakes or whatever are the same as any other assignment. But essentially, GIMM 330 is 3D modeling and 3D texturing. So you're essentially going to be learning mainly only Maya, pretty much. You're essentially going to be learning how to create any like concept art that you've like made beforehand and essentially translate it into 3D models I did right here. You're going to be able to learn how to use like a grid or whatnot into a actual object or whatnot. You're going to be able to learn how to UV map it and make it so that you can actually like color the actual object instead of it just being gray. You're going to be able to learn how to rig one of your models so that you can make it do wacky poses or be in a certain way if you wanted to. And you're going to learn how to use Maya's animation tools like the graph editor and all that in order for your model or whatnot to do fun stuff. Like I said, there isn't really a final assignment. Really, you're primarily working on one model for the entire semester, but you can work on more. But you're essentially just learning Maya, and it's like learning the ropes and all that, just so that next semester when you take 370, I think, essentially like the advanced 3D modeling class, you're essentially going to be focusing that class mainly on producing as many assets for your individual game project. Okay, so as you see, I have another model that I've made for this class. I don't think you need to stick with the model because you're going to have 4 assignments. You're going to have a texturing, you're going to have a texturing, modeling, rigging, and animation, all not in that order. And you can choose for each assignment to like change your model, do something else if you want. So like I did this one because you see modeling, texture, rigging, animation. I did this bird for the rigging and animation portion. This has nothing to do with my game, but he accepted it, Amod, because he teaches it. But essentially, like I said, you're going to be just learning how to rig a model. So making it so that you can like make it do fun stuff. And you're also going to be learning how to animate it as well, so that when you do bring it into Unity and whatnot, it can like move around, do other wacky stuff. A lot of this class is just learning how Maya works. I don't know if Amod, which is the teacher, if he'll be really open to you using Blender. I wouldn't imagine he'd be very upset if you do, but you're primarily going to be using Maya for this class. There isn't a lot for me to say. You're just going through the regular pipeline of creating like a 3D asset for your individual VR game. So yeah.